Network Entertainment.
Yung mga taong talagang that bring significance to our lives are sometimes they're quiet. Hindi naman napapansin yan. Hindi nabibigyan ng pansin yan eh. Pero it's the quiet confidence that says, I'm living in the alignment with my purpose. I'm living in the alignment with my calling with God. Yun ang importante.
Hi, I'm Chingitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free, teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Alam nyo ba that you can have all the success, all the money, all the glory in the world, but you can still feel empty? The question is, bakit ganito ang feeling minsan? Pag-usapan natin to. Hi there, this is Shinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Kamusta ka na, kapatid? When I do my podcast session, I really look forward because I know that I'm speaking only to you one-on-one, parang ng tayong friendship, diba? And sa araw na ito, I'm gonna talk about the topic about yung mga high achievers, the doers, the dreamers, the always busy one, and I'm referring also to myself. At alam ko, ikaw rin yan. You know what? One thing I've learned in life, I've been chasing success for them many years. And yun nga, naabot ko naman yung gusto ko. Pero minsan talaga, may mga tao talaga na nakakausap ko. Even if they climb the corporate ladder of success, when they reach the top, they realize the corporate ladder of success is facing the wrong wall. Diba? Parang feeling mo, ikaw ba na-experience mo na yan na may na-achieve ka, tapos pag nakuha mo na, parang feeling mo kulang pa rin. Alam mo, let me tell you the truth and the truth will set you free. You're not broken, you're just human. Na kailangan po natin na maintindihan, saan ba natin mini-measure? How do we measure success? So, sa episode na ito, we're gonna talk about, yun nga, ano ba talaga ang success? Why is it important for us to live a life of meaning rather than success? And how can we shift? Okay? So, when is success not enough? Okay. Alam mo naman sinasabi ko eh. Di ba? Ikaw, overachiever ka, hindi ka underachiever, marami ka na nagawa sa buhay. That's good for you and I'm happy for you. But reality is, success is not only about recognition. For me, hindi yung na-achieve mo na yung gusto mo eh. Pero alam mo yung true success, yung na-achieve mo na yung gusto mo, pagkatapos nagamit mo yung success mo para makatulong sa iba. Diba? Like for example, yung kumita ka. Diba ang sarap ng feeling pag kumita ka, na i-share mo sa pamilya mo. Diba? Yung parang mas masaya ka pa nga eh pag nakikita mong nakakatulong ka sa iba kaysa ikaw ang masaya. So in other words, knowing your purpose in life gives you what direction. And then success in life gives you probably fulfillment, personal fulfillment. Pero alam mo, when you share your success to others, it gives you meaning in life. Grabe! Do you agree? Alam mo, in reality, I met a lot of people who look successful on the outside but they are really burned out, anxious, and lonely in the inside. As a matter of fact, there's a global survey na sinabi ng Deloitte na 77% of the professional feels burned out. Even yung mga top performers, yung mga top executive and CEO, because their success became their identity. So what if kung hindi ka na-recognize, wala ka na? What if wala ka ng award, hindi ka na-recognize, wala ka na? What if wala ka na sa top 10, wala ka sa top 3? We always tie our self-worth kasi with our work. Di ba? But reality is this. Success can fill your schedule but still leaves you feel empty. Kaya nga paano natin malalaman na yun nga, tayo is successful, let us not pursue a life of success. Why don't we pursue a life of significance? Wow. When you say significance, meaning, significance, it's not about yung it's not only having awards yung parang pag shinare mo talaga yung success mo sa ibang tao. Like for example, like what I'm doing right now. I'm doing this podcast episode because my goal is to help you to become successful. Because success without a successor is a complete failure. And I feel successful. And I feel significant. I'm living my life with a purpose if I am able to help others to become wealthy and debt-free. So dapat, what am I trying to say? Kung gusto mong magkaroon ng change of mindset, dapat ang goal natin is purpose over performance. The moment you wake up, you ask yourself, how can I serve others? Who can I serve? Diba? Rather than tatanungin mo sa, what can I achieve? It's not about how much money can you earn. How much money can you give when you earn? Diba? That's number one. Number two, para to live a life of significance, kailangan po magkaroon tayo ng contentment over comparison. Again, contentment over comparison. Every single day, matuto kang magpasalamat kung anong meron ka. Do not look for the things that you do not have. Do not compare yourself with others because comparison is the thief of joy. You're no longer racing against each other, but you're walking on your own lane. You don't compare yourself with others. You compare yourself with yourself. Compare yourself 10 years ago from now. Are you better? If you're better, congratulations. Because you're living a life of meaning. You're living a life on your own lane. You're living a life of significance. Third, impact over image. You measure your success not by the likes, number of comments, shares, but the number of lives that you have changed. Like for example, if you're a teacher, how many students were you able to impact? If you're a nurse, how many patients were you able to bring comfort? If you are a parent, di ba? How, I mean say your children, di ba? Yan yung magiging ano mo parang future mo di ba? And then if you're a mentor, how many people you mentee? Let me tell you the truth. But they might not be top performers, but you know what? You can sleep well at night knowing that you were able to fulfill your calling and purpose in life. So, nagigets nyo? Yung mga taong talagang that bring significance to our lives are sometimes they're quiet. Hindi naman napapansin yan. Hindi nabibigyan ng pansin yan Pero it's the quiet confidence that says, I'm living in the alignment with my purpose. I'm living in the alignment with my calling with God. Yun ang importante. Kaya mga ka-friendship, kung ngayon kayo po ay medyo nadi-discourage kayo, di ba? And you've been chasing success hanggang ngayon wala pa rin. Naiinip na kayo, nai-stress na kayo. Di ba? Alam mo, sabihin ko sa iyo, if success is only your ultimate goal, maniwala ka, you'll be disappointed. It's only significance. When you live a life of significance, that is the time that you will feel fulfilled. So guys, if you're tired of running, maybe it's time for you to stop chasing success and start living a life of significance. So if you want to live a life of significance, I want to help you, guide you, and coach you. So if you want me to personally coach you one-on-one, and if you want my time to help you to discover ano ba talagang calling and purpose mo in life, please reach out to me through my Facebook account. Search nyo na lang, and then yung Facebook with 6 million followers, and then i-DM nyo ako, i-message nyo ako, I want to be coached by Chinkitan. Thank you very much for listening. Please do subscribe also in this podcast. As I always say, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always Chink Positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.